amiga, and welcome back to the channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and ring that bell so you can be notified every time I post a new delicious video. I hope everyone had a safe and amazing new year. I know I did, and most of that was thanks to these bomb and boozy Rumchata Cake shots. These are amazing. They're really quick and simple and really fun to make, and they are great for any special occasion. You can use them for weddings and birthdays, so I figured you definitely needed this recipe in your repertoire. So let's go ahead and get started.
Okay guys, so for this recipe you're going to need some eggs, some cinnamon and sugar, salt, baking soda, baking powder, and cake flour. You're also going to need some Rumchata and Greek yogurt, some sugar, and some vanilla extract and super soft butter. So in my stand mixer, I'm going to begin by adding in all of my super soft butter. And don't worry, if you don't have a stand mixer, you can definitely use a hand mixer for this. And I'm going to begin whipping my butter on medium speed just to get it a little spread and air it out. Then I'm going to go ahead and grab all of my sugar and I'm going to gradually pour that in. I'm going to let this butter and this sugar cream together for about 2 minutes. And while that's creaming together, I'm going to take all of my cake flour, and as you can see, I already have my salt, baking soda, and baking powder already in there. And I'm just going to use a fork to whisk all that together. And now that my butter is looking nice and light and fluffy, I'm going to go ahead and start adding in all of my eggs, and I'm going to do this one at a time, gradually incorporating each egg before I add in the next. This ensures that we keep all of that beautiful air that we just whipped into our butter and sugar into our cupcakes, and that's going to keep them nice and light and fluffy. Now that we've gotten our eggs fully incorporated, I'm going to go ahead and start adding in my flour 1/2 at a time. And then I'm going to take this Rumchata and Greek yogurt, and I'm just going to add my vanilla into that and mix that really well. And I'm going to add all of this into our batter. Now I'm going to go ahead and add in my 2nd half of flour. And we're just going to mix this just until we don't see any more flour streaks and stop. We do not want to overwork this batter. And using a cookie scoop, I'm just going to add 1 scoop of this delicious batter into all of my liners. And using that cinnamon sugar mixture, I'm just going to take 1 little teeny 1/4 of a teaspoon of this, and I'm going to just drizzle a little bit into each cupcake. And then top it off with 1 more scoop of batter. This is going into the oven at 350 for about 17 minutes. And while that's baking, I'm just going to work on this frosting. It's really simple. I am using regular cream cheese frosting, and I'm just adding a little bit of cinnamon to it. If you've never seen how I make cream cheese frosting, I will leave a link for the video below. It's really simple and really delicious. Now I'm just going to take my cupcake, I've already broken it down into crumbs, and I'm going to add these crumbs into a champagne glass. And then I'm going to take some more of that Rumchata, I have it in a dropper, and I'm just going to drizzle that over top of the cake. Using that cinnamon cream cheese frosting, I'm going to swirl a little bit right on top. And then I even have some gold luster dust, and I'm just going to sprinkle that over the top until I find that it has like that really beautiful gold look that I'm looking for. This is optional. I am adding in another dropper that is filled with Rumchata, and then a chocolate gold accented snowflake. And that is all, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this Rumchata recipe. I hope you try it for yourselves, and I'll catch you in the next one.